अच्छा सुनो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Mysterious Beauty. My name is Anshika and today I am up with an interesting video. So today I will tell you guys that how you can make this beautiful ring at home. So before starting, please like the video, also subscribe to my channel. It is totally free to subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get started.
रिंग बनाने के लिए आपको चाहिए सीजर्स, डेकोरेटिव मिरर, क्ले, कार्डबोर्ड और जिस भी साइज की आपको रिंग बनानी है उसके लिए एक मोल्ड, एल्युमिनियम शीट और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ रिंग, फेविकोल, a silver acrylic color और black acrylic color और a फेविक्विक।
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. Fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I.